Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel, here at Gosford for Gosford vlog part number 2, as requested by Joshua Stanbury. Over here on platform 2 we have H21 Newcastle service. First stop is Narara, and it'll then stop all stations to Newcastle. The sun's shining on the freight perfectly. What a surprise. Here we have V24 arriving into platform number 2, Newcastle service. It's hiding in the shadows. V24 is now departing platform 2, Newcastle service. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. I'm on V29, carriage 8125. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching, I really do. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. See you all in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.